What's good, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we about to check out Mark Golden Hour, Mark Lee, one of the hardest man working, Mr. Mark Lee, the Golden Hour. What we talking about? What's golden about this hour, though? I don't know what I'm trying to do with that phrase. Big fan of Mark Lee, even in his solo stuff. I think he's a very talented young man. Is he considered a young man? I'm older than you, that's for sure. But guys, before this video starts, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Like this video for Mark Lee. I'll be streaming on Twitch, by the way. K-pop and chill. Request with a dono and make a whole playlist for me to check out whatever type of music. It doesn't have to be K-pop, but we're gonna be doing that later tonight at 5 p.m. PST. And yeah, follow the Discord if you don't already. Please do follow. Link in the description. All right, y'all. Without further ado, let's go. Let's get it. Let's begin. Play my intro. All right, Mark. Golden Hour. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Damn. What? What the? Wait, no. Hold up. A rock? An egg crap? To the moon? To some boots? What we doing, what the? What is happening? Oh, I got hiccups. Yes. Oh, whoa! Yes, on top of. But I got hiccups from this. Hold up. Let's continue. What? It just happened. Took me off guard for real. Gave me the hiccups. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, rings. What? Oh, problem. Ooh. I don't know how to make eggs, but that I'm not stressed, cause I never been hungry. Ooh. Okay. Excuse me, waiter. Make it right. Ooh. Ooh. A diamond. He do be cooking though. He really do. What an interesting take. Wait, what'd he say? Boy gives government's allowance. Ooh, okay. Let's go, Mark Lee. What? What? Oh, who throwing fireballs? What, in the Mario movie? Waiter! He's literally looked like he's in an egg yolk. Ooh. Thanks for following on Twitch. I see you. What is this? Everything means nothing if I end up alone. What an interesting, like, editing. Ooh. 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 Hit him up. Y'all know them real freaks out. Them real freaks out there. Hit him up. You already know. He likes freaks. What type of freak? There's different levels to this, bro. You know, we live in a world that what are we living? Constantly tries to take you away from you. Okay. Everyone's true. Being everyone but themselves. Not around. Wait, but what does that mean? What does that? What? I really don't know how I'm calling Gordon now, 'cause it's the she got in golden now. Yo, that scene with the compilation of eggs kind of looks like, well, like your brain on drugs kind of like thing, or like the, you know how they make a compilation when you're like you're high or something. That's what it reminds me of. Don't do drugs, kids. I don't know how to make eggs, but then I'm not stressed. No one will never go hungry. I don't know why that part's fire to me. What you call Gordon out? Hey man, be careful about calling Gordon Ramsay out, bro. What an interesting song and music video actually. He getting that food. Never hungry. I fucking love that part. Ladies, just wait for me, good girl. Ooh, ew. This has to be some type of kink. I don't know what this is. His hands, some egg yolk in a rock being smashed. That has to be something. Y'all, you doing something to somebody. I don't know. Somebody has a kink about this. I don't know if you have a kink or anything. Well, we're not trying to kink shame right now. Anyways, this is different. It's different. Is it different? What you got a real big what? Really big what? What you doing? I got a really big problem. I don't know. This scene is kind of fire right here. I remember he teased this. Cause I never been hungry. Wait, you never been hungry? Cause I never been hungry. Excuse me, waiter. Ooh, he got a fucking fire ass song and music. I don't know. I kind of mess with this. Cooking it dirty. Wait. Top in your fave. You better run away. Okay. Tongue in the game. For me, it's a buffet. Ooh. Ooh, would love to change up too. The pictures with like the actual like egg in and the wine going in, it's different. I don't know where you got that idea from. I like it. Full body opinion when I like blood. Not mine. Damn, okay. Ooh. It'd be fire to see live actually. Ooh. Instrumental change up too. I do love Hawaii. You talking about me? You need a real freak? It's not me though. You know, we live in a world that tries to take you away from you. I like the hat. Everyone but themselves. I got you, yes. But not around.
But what does that mean?
This is such a troll scene. I love that it's a sunset. He's taking a picture of a sunset where it's just a picture, then the truck moves, and it's an actual sunset. I really don't know how I'm calling Gordon now, 'cause it's she got it golden now. I need to know. He's in his bag, basically. That's an interesting way. I actually really like the music video, the song itself. It's different. I have to watch this one again to like fully I think I understand it, but I have to fully understand it. Like I need to watch it like a couple more times, probably while I'm editing this reaction video for sure. Guys, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments down below what you guys think of Mark Golden Hour. What a interesting. It's filmed fucking nice and edited really nice. I like it. It's weird. I love the whole like concept of it too. It's weird. It's the type of weird that I like. Like it's perfect for like a reaction video because there's so much to talk about in there, whether it be from the lyrics to the music video to what's happening in the music video, or what the lyrics are, what the video, how the music video is like showing the lyrics in like physical form. You know what I mean? Interesting. Alright guys, I'll be on Twitch later today at 5 p.m. PST for K-pop and chill, and yeah, join the Discord if you haven't already. Again, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.